Okay, let's talk marketing within early childhood. You just opened up, so what's now? Now it's time to market. You need to get the customers. You need to get children. I'm going to say what actually worked for me in my business. The first thing that I did is I created a website. My website was a business card online. It is very crucial for people to be able to actually find out about you. And in our times, with the technology and everything is online, we have to have some sort of a business card online. That's exactly what my website was. The second thing I did, I pinned myself on Google Maps. And let me tell you, the Google Maps worked a trick for me. I got most of my clients from Google Maps, because it's straight away linked to my website where they could fill in the forms straight away. They knew exactly who I was. My website was very limited, but it was almost like question and answer, but it had every single possible question they wanted to know. The second thing, to promote your family daycare or the childcare business in general, use the Facebook groups. There's loads and lots of groups that are only for mothers or the parents in general. And when it's a brand new mom, they feel a bit lonely. They want the social life, and the social interaction is not so much there. That's why they turn into the groups, and the Facebook groups are the best. I'm a member of some of them, and you wouldn't believe how many times they have been questions, or does anybody know on any vacancies? Is there a family daycare or the childcare center in such and such area? Do you have a review for such and such childcare center or the family daycare? It's constant. So don't lose this opportunity and use the Facebook groups. Another very, very good way to promote your family daycare or the childcare center is mothers groups. Not on the Facebook, but the actual groups where new mothers go to get some advice on how to breastfeed the children or how to actually look after the newborns. Then those mother groups, they create some sort of the play group that they have every week or every 2 weeks. They have a meetups, they go to the park and they interact one with another. So they have similar topics to talk about and similar discussions. So what you can do, you can go to the parks because you can see them straight away. There's a bunch of moms with the prams. You can come over and they will be happy to talk because they want to talk to some. That's the reason they go there, because they want to talk. You can come over, you can introduce yourself, and pretty much promote. You say that you're a new family daycare or there is a new childcare center opening up. Here's the card. I know the cards are old-fashioned, and just do it. Go out there, spread the word. If you like that video and you like my tips, please like it and subscribe. There's more tips coming up. Thanks. Bye.